Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. In Java, exceptions are events that disrupt the normal flow of a program's execution. When an error occurs, an exception is thrown, which can be handled using try-catch blocks. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to throw exceptions in Java and provide a code example to illustrate the concept. Understanding exceptions in Java. 1. Exception types. Checked exceptions. These are exceptions that are checked at compile time. They must be either caught or declared in the method signature using the throws keyword. Examples include ioexception and sqlexception. Unchecked exceptions. These exceptions are not checked at compile time. They include runtime exceptions such as nullpointerexception and arrayindexoutofboundsexception. They can be caught but do not need to be declared in method signatures. 2. Throwing exceptions. You can throw an exception using the throw statement. This allows you to create your own exceptions or propagate existing exceptions. 3. Creating custom exceptions. You can create your own exception classes by extending exception for checked exceptions, or runtime exception for unchecked exceptions. Code example. In this example, we will create a simple program that demonstrates throwing a checked exception, throwing an unchecked exception, creating and throwing a custom exception. Step 1, create a custom exception. Step 2, create a class with methods that throw exceptions. Step 3, use try-catch blocks to handle exceptions. Explanation of the code. 1. Custom exception. The invalidAge exception class extends exception, making it a checked exception. It takes a message in its constructor to describe the error. 2. Age validator class. The validateAge method checks if the age is negative. If it is, it throws an invalidAge exception. The checkAdult method checks if the age is less than 18. If it is, it throws an illegal argument exception. 3. Main class. We create an instance of age validator and call its methods inside try-catch blocks. The first try-catch block handles the checked exception, and the second handles the unchecked exception. Finally, we demonstrate valid cases where no exceptions are thrown. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we learned how to throw and handle exceptions in Java. We created a custom exception, demonstrated how to throw both checked and unchecked exceptions, and handled them using try-catch blocks. Exception handling is an essential part of writing robust Java applications, allowing you to gracefully manage error conditions.